ये क्वेश्चन है 25 जन 2023 सेशन का, जहां पे ये बोला गया है कि कोई न्यूक्लियस है जो अचानक डिसइंटीग्रेट हुआ into two fragments, and obviously when it is disintegrating and they are splitting into two parts, they have some velocities and the ratio of their magnitudes, ratio of the velocities are 3:2. Okay, and now he is asking what must be the ratio of the radii of the two fragments. Okay, so the very first thing, अब यहाँ पे हम ये सोच सकते हैं कि we can apply directly the conservation of momentum because there is no external force during the explosion. Okay, so we will take that momentum initial is equal to momentum final. Initially it was at rest. Okay, so I will take 0 on the LHS and RHS becomes m1 into minus v1 plus m2 into v2. So obviously I will have m1 v1 is equal to m2 v2. So m1 by m2 becomes v2 by v1, and from there I have it is 2 by 3. So I mean to say the ratio of the masses of the two fragments is 2:3. Okay, so now coming to the fundamental concept in nuclear physics, we study at the beginning that the density of the nucleus should always remain constant. चाहे वो जो भी एलिमेंट हो उसका डेंसिटी जो न्यूक्लियस का होता है वो हमेशा कांस्टेंट होता है, इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ इट्स मास नंबर, एनी एलिमेंट. ओके, सो नाउ आई शुड से दैट द डेंसिटी which is mass by volume is constant. Okay, so I mean to say that if mass is m, volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube, it must be constant. So finally taking the proportionality, I can say that m by r cube is equal to constant. So m1 by m2, m1 by m2 should be equal to r1 by r2 whole cube. m1 by m2 should be equal to r1 by r2 whole cube because यहाँ पे मेरा m proportional to r cube आ गया है, तो I can directly take like this, m1 by m2 is equal to r1 by r2 whole cube, and he was asking about this, right? So I can say r1 by r2 is equal to m1 by m2 whole power 1 by 3, and obviously I got the result of m1 by m2 as 2 by 3, so it becomes 2 by 3 whole power 1 by 3. And in the question it was mentioned that in this scenario the ratio of the radii of the two disintegrated parts will be x by 3 whole power 1 by 3, and I got 2 by 3 whole power 1 by 3. So he was asking about x, value of x, so the answer is x is equal to 2. Okay, the answer is x is equal to 2. ये सवाल है 24 जनवरी 2023 सेशन का जेईई मेंस का, और ये न्यूक्लियर फिशन के ऊपर है. इट्स वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन कि अगर कोई एलिमेंट है x whose mass number is 240 and for one fission reaction of a particular atom the energy released is 200 MeV, then he is asking what is the total energy which would be released if 120 gram of the sample of that atom is considered and it is completely undergoing fission reaction. Okay, so it's very simple, just we can understand in terms of the mole concept. Okay, so अगर मेरे पास 240 gram of the sample होगा, it will be 1 mole. Obviously 1 mole consists of Avogadro number of atoms, so I would say it is Na atoms. Na here is the Avogadro number. Okay, so 120 grams of the same sample would contain half mole. Okay, so it is obviously consisting of Na by 2 atoms. That means half the Avogadro number of atoms. In the question where it is mentioned 120 grams, I will say that 120 gram would contain half the Avogadro number of atoms. So the energy released would be the number of atoms, which is Na by 2, into energy released for each fission reaction, which is given in the question as 200 MeV. So it is 6 into 10 power 23 divided by 2 into 200 MeV. So it becomes, straight away cancellation here, so it becomes 6 into 10 power 25 MeV. So the energy released by fission reaction of all the 120 gram of the sample of this element would produce a total energy of 6 into 10 power 25 MeV.